first customer comes in. It's Mino the monkey. An iced tea, please. Make sure it's cold, says Mino. BIBO prepares an iced tea and adds 1 ice cube in it. Sarah the sheep enters the bear cafe too. A tea, please. Make sure it's hot, she says. BIBO prepares a hot tea and adds 2 spoons of sugar in it. But somehow, Sarah's hot tea is cold and Mino's iced tea is hot. How is it possible, they wonder? Oh, BIBO, you must have mixed up the orders, they giggle. BIBO chuckles and apologizes for the mix-up. Finally, Sarah and Mino exchange their